So what's up, Grubhub Nation? This is Cory from My Sugar Run Bar, and today in this video I'm gonna do some Grubhub deliveries in my big monster truck. I know the gas is gonna suck, I know that. Grubhub today, they put out a special where after every 5 deliveries, I get an extra $15. And if you guys are like me, if you hustle and you grind, all I see is dollar signs, baby. So I see the potential. I can make a couple $100, easily $200-300, right? So here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna go out in the big monster truck. I'm gonna do as many deliveries as I can. And if you watch this video to the end, I'm gonna do a special giveaway at the end of the video. But my baby looks a little bit naked. I mean, if I'm gonna be out here doing it, it's Christmas time. I need to throw a wreath or something in front of that. So let's see if I can grab one of those real quick. All right, look, just some quick tips. Going over speed bumps. Just some quick tips before we get started. You want to start off with a full tank of gas. You want to have your Grubhub bag or your delivery bag. You want to make sure that you have the credit card that they gave you to start with. You want to make sure that your cell phone is powered up, man. Always keep your charger with you. Bring some snacks, man. Bring some water, because if you're in this for the long haul, if you're in this to get that money, you got to be down to ride, baby. So, okay, well, today's Christmas Eve, if you do not know. Today's Christmas Eve, and I cannot find a wreath because everything's out. But what I do have, though, got a Santa hat. So let's slap on the Santa hat, let's spread some Christmas cheer, and let's get to this money. Hold on, let's get it. Natia B. All right, first order of the day, and it's not ready. So here's the thing that happens when you're doing these deliveries. Every single time that an order's not ready, and it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, that tax on time of your day when you're not making money. So you want those orders to be ready. Okay, so let me give you some tips. We're on our first order. So my first order is I have my Grubhub bag. I put the food in the bag. I zipped it up. We are in the middle of a pandemic, so I would do this anyway, but you want to treat the food just like it's your food. I'm not tossing it around. I'm putting it in the bag. One quick tip that I am going to give you is that I've said it on multiple videos is now what I'm going to do is I'm going to text the client, even though the app, I know the app says that they picked up your order. I just add that little layer, baby. That little layer that says, hey, you know, so-and-so just picked up your order on my way, and I tell them my real ETA. And hopefully what'll happen is, hopefully they'll be outside waiting on me and I ain't gotta get out in this rain to deliver their food. But at any rate, that's how I get tipped on about 90 to 95% of my, I feel as though I go above and beyond with customer service. I tell them I'm bringing you napkins, can I get you some condiments? You know, you need some sauces, because I don't think any other delivery person is out there, no average delivery person is out there doing that. You know, grandpreneurs, we ain't average, baby. Let me knock this out. Hey, how are you? Merry Christmas. I'm bringing gifts. You're welcome. We got one more night. Have a great day. You're welcome. One done. Okay, so here's the deal. I was talking to some other delivery drivers. I came from one direction, they were coming from another. There's some bad accidents up on the Beltway where I live, and then they were telling me that it's super crowded over in another area. So knowing that, I'm probably going to reject, depends on the size of the order, but I'm probably going to reject. There's a Chick-fil-A over in one area where it's really bad. The design of the space is just hard to get in and out of. And then there's a notorious KFC that I'm probably going to turn down because their lines are always long, doesn't matter. So I hope that doesn't affect the money. You know, I'm out here being Black Santa, baby. I want to give back. I want to give to the kids. All right, man. Let's see if I can grab this next order. Well, let's go, y'all. Yo, this would be a really dope time to put on my seatbelt. I'm just kidding. It'd be a great time to smash that like button. It'd be a really great time to talk about our sponsor, Fetch. So let me stop being silly. Let me get serious for a moment. Thank you, Fetch, for sponsoring this video. All right, guys, look, I'm going to show you a bonus if you stuck around for this. So look, so check it out. So this is an app that I use. I've already got my points. I've got my money back from using the gas app. I've also got my money back because I put it on a rewards credit card. Now here's another thing. Same receipt. I'm going to use the same receipt that I got for my gas, and I'm going to shoot it. And because the receipt is long, I'm going to shoot it again. See how it turned green? And then I'm going to submit. Now I'm going to make some points because I just got gas. Doesn't matter if it's 1.5 points, 20 points. See that, 25 points. It doesn't matter. So I'm gonna go back out, and if you look, I have 210,000 points. Now what I can do with these points is, let me show you my rewards. Let's go over to my rewards. Let's go up to 50,000 points. These points convert into cash. And you see that right there? You see that Amazon? That's what I'm shooting for, man. See that $50? 50,000 points I can turn into $50. That's 200 bucks. How many things can you get on Amazon for free? Just wanted to show you guys just a really quick, another free tip that I wanted to give you for watching these videos. Thank you guys. All right, dope. Second order just came in. It's from TGI Fridays. It's for $22.79.
Yes, I will take that.
That will put me at over $30 an hour. I'll do it. Let's go get this money, y'all. This weather is not fit for a man nor a beast. But I am no ordinary man. And for this is no ordinary beast. Feast your eyes on tierra. Alright, so we're on delivery number 2, and this gentleman has a rain. Awesome. So it's raining outside, and we are doing contactless delivery, but what I like to do is I like to pretty much hand it to him. I don't want to leave this stuff on the ground. Look at my beautiful baby. I don't want to leave this stuff on the ground. So I didn't want to leave it in the rain. You're welcome. Have a great holiday. Okay, so this third order that we're getting, we're going to have to use our card, Grubhub card, which actually is good because it's going to allow us to use our fetch rewards when we scan the receipt. So remember I was telling you guys, listen, if you are a delivery driver, fleet driver, whatever, if you're out here, I'm making money, and then I'm making money while I'm making money because I'm going to scan my receipt and I'm making money for the delivery as well. Okay, so on that order, the restaurant does not take Grubhub, so I was going to pay with my Grubhub card, but they only take cash, so I had to cancel that order. And Grubhub will take care of that, but hopefully I'll grab another order. So here's another crazy thing I did. So I drove the big black monster truck. I'm in DC. It's crazy traffic right now. I don't even think I can fit on some of these streets. But hey, we'll see. We'll make it happen, baby. We're Grapheneur Nation, man. That's what we do. We get it in. I will tell you one thing, though. The one thing I do like about Grubhub is even though I went there, even though I drove there, waited, went through that, they still pay you for your time and your mileage. And I love that. This is my truck sticking out. I'm so crazy. Why do I do this? This may fair to be difficult. Restaurants are closing because of Christmas Eve. So that's 2 down, but it still paid me. That's 2 restaurants that were closed. Let's see what we get. Okay, we need the delivery gods to shine down on us because our last 2 deliveries have gotten canceled. And I don't even know if they're gonna, do the last 2, because it's a bonus, so do I get the 5? I don't even know. I don't know if I get the extra bonus of $15 for those last 2 that got canceled. So let me grab this real quick and let's get moving, baby. All right, Cory Claws on the move, baby. Now, it is, like I said in the other one, it's raining. So normally I would leave it, but we have a rain. So we're gonna hand it off and wish her a Merry Christmas. I can't pull my mask down. Hey, how's it going? You're so welcome. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Got it? Good? Safe. Grubhub, you think darkness is your ally. Merely adopted the dark. I was born in it, molded by it. I didn't see the tips until I was a man, and by then, I was already blinded. Look at this rain! Look at this rain! Look. Pouring down raining. Pouring. The things you gotta do to get that bread, baby. A little rain never stopped us though, did it? See, it's kind of wet. Hey, your seat was kind of wet. I didn't want to leave it on the seat.
Thank you.
Got it?
Yes, I
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Have a good day.
You too, be blessed. All right, let's go. Hey, Merry Christmas.
Bye, thank you.
You're
Merry
welcome.
Christmas to you.
Have a great holiday.
Thank you, likewise.
So let me tell you about this last order that I just had. I'll lighten this up somehow, or maybe I'm moving closer. Couldn't find the guy's address. Couldn't find it. The map was wrong. The number he had to call him and text him was wrong. Calling him was wrong. Texting him from here was wrong. I called customer service. But I had to do some old school hood engineering, and I found him. And he was in a gated thing, so I got through the gate, and even his door was gated, but I got through that too. And instead of canceling the order, I made the delivery. Now what's crazy is the next order that I'm gonna do, I have to pay for it when I get there. But I can't place the order because I can't see it. So just a little technical difficulties, but we're still out here getting this money, man. I'm not gonna let it stop me from getting to this money. You better believe that. All right, so here's another instance where I'm gonna use my Grubhub card to pay the customer's order. Once I get the receipt, I'm gonna upload that receipt into my Fetch reward. So I'm making money from the delivery, making money from Fetch. Got the Christmas joint, that's dope. Hey, got a cash tip. Cash is always good. I'll take it on the app, but cash is always good too. All right, guys, well, I am done for the day, and here is the breakdown. So today I was able to earn $152.80. I'll add the totals here so you can see everything. So Grubhub added another $15 for every 5th delivery that I did. I did a total of 15 deliveries, so that adds up to $45 on top of the $152.80. And then I got another cash tip tonight of $5. So my grand total was $202.80. It's not bad for a couple of hours, right? I started at 4, I ended at 10. So initially, the reason I sort of jumped out there was because my tires, right? So I spent $160 on my tires, and then I made $202, which netted me a profit of $42. But guys, listen, you know, this channel has been really great. It's been really amazing growing this channel. It's been really amazing connecting with you guys, and it's Christmas Eve, and I think what I'm gonna do, honestly, is I'm gonna donate the money that I raised tonight. And I have sort of a thing that I want to do, and I think what I want to do is I want to take the money that I raised tonight and I want to donate that through another app that I have, and doing that through my charity. I have another app that I'm going to use, and I'm going to give away gas to frontline workers. During this time, in the middle of this pandemic and this COVID situation, the people that are out there right now on the front lines, nurses, doctors, healthcare workers, you know, they're literally risking their lives. And so, yeah, I'm making this YouTube video, and yeah, I made $200 today, but really, it would go so much further. I have another app that's gonna pay me 10 times as much, just by taking that same $200. And then what I'll do is, I haven't made the video yet, but once I do it, I'll link the video here. I'll do it in a couple of weeks. I'll link the video here so you can go and see exactly what I'm doing. And just even doing things like that, right? Even making these YouTube videos or reaching out to you guys, doing and giving back has been incredible. Like, I can't even imagine that, like, I'm on this path now and doing this. And a lot of this, honestly, is because of you guys. You really are encouraging me. You're motivating me to make better content, to create and go deeper and further into my dream and my destiny. So listen, if this video was helpful to you, if you found it fun or crazy or interesting or motivating, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit like, make a comment down below, leave some comments down below. What I'd like you to do, if this video moved you or helped you or motivated you in any way, type grindpreneur down in the comments section. I want to know, like I said, we're building a nation of grindpreneurs, hustlers, dreamers, people that want to give back. And like I always will say, that I might not be able to change the world, but at least I can change my world. So look, guys, Cory Brummer Sugar and Bar, like I say on every video, man, never give up. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for tuning in and watching.